Okay, so this time naman pag-usapan natin si class binding. Okay, so tignan muna natin yung setup natin ngayon. We have here homepage.html, we have here homepage.scss, and then we have here homepage.ts. So involved na natin ngayon si homepage.scss since gagamit tayo ng class binding. Okay, so previously sa mga ginagawa ninyo whenever that you will going to design yung homepage.html. So let's say we have here ion title. So in here, for you to design this ion title, you can add class. Okay, actually kahit saan, kahit sa ion content, kahit sa normal na HTML element. So lagyan natin siya ng class, and then lagyan natin po ito ng, let's say, my design A. So, ang idea, para gumana or para ma-designan mo yung ion title na to, so all you have to do is to fetch or kunin mo yung class name natin, dot design A, and then tawagin natin or maglagay tayo ng mga properties and values natin na pang-design itong hello. Okay, so as you can see, we have here blue text. Okay, so now, ganun yung normal na ginagawa natin. So, it is very simple to understand na ang class binding, okay, so meron po kasi tayong tinatawag na ng class. Okay, so ng class is a directive. Okay, so we have here class binding. Binding pa lang ang gagawin po natin. So, let's say for example, in our class, kung mapapansin nyo, ang class is attribute. Okay, so actually, parang ang class is under lang din siya. Yung class binding is under siya nung tinatawag natin na property binding. It is because si class is an attribute. So, gagawin natin, since attribute yan, lalagyan mo siya ng bracket. Okay? And then, this one, yung my design A, okay, variable. Lagay natin, ganyan. So, self-defined, this one is variable. That should be declared in our TS. And then, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng value. My design A. And then, as you can see, nag-append na ngayon or gumana na itong design A natin. So, the idea here is, nag-bind tayo ng class. Okay, so, property binding. Okay, so parang ganyan nga din yun, ginagamit natin. Yung value nito, which is this variable, this property, is mare-replace siya ng my design A. Ayan, parang ganito ang nangyayari. So, balik natin. So, ito po ang value ni variable is si my design A. And then, since yun ang value niyan, pagka napalitan natin to, tatawagin niya ngayon yung class. Okay, since class is related to our CSS or SCSS, kaya niya ngayon i-append yan. Okay, so parang ang ang add kapag ganito lang yung magiging example natin. Kasi imagine, all you have to do is to create, for example, let's say, paragraph, type class, and then type mo na lang, my design A. As you can see, kung ano yung properties and values natin dun sa may CSS natin, or SCSS, nag-append kagad dun sa may class na my design A. So, bakit kailangan pa natin pahirapan na ipapasa pa natin dito sa may TS para mabago dito sa HTML and basahin papunta dun sa may SCSS. Again, it is because of this TS. May control po tayo sa kanila. Pwede natin silang kontrolin. As of now, it doesn't make sense kasi ang ginagawa natin is mano-mano pa lang natin siyang binabago. Or in combination with click event or event binding, pwede natin siyang baguhin. So, gawa lang tayo ng example. So, in here, we have ion title. As you can see kanina na naka-bind yung class niya. Okay, so ang idea kapag kakinlik ko to, change. So, as you can see, wala pang magbabago dyan kasi wala pang laman yung change natin. So, ang gagawin natin, tawagin natin, this variable is equal to, okay, so gagawin natin, from design A, gagawin natin siyang design B. Okay, so save natin yan, and then let's click change, and then as you can see, nagbago yung kanyang style. So, pwede mo siyang i-toggle. Okay, so, but the idea here is class binding is like a property binding.